In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add project in Bitbucket. We'll walk through the entire process from signing in to creating your project, so you can keep your repositories organized and easy to manage. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Bitbucket sign-in page. If you normally use your Google credentials, choose the Google option and select your account to continue. This connects your profile using secure authentication and brings you into your Bitbucket workspace. Once you're signed in, look for the Create button in the Bitbucket interface. Click it, then choose Project. A project in Bitbucket is a container that groups related repositories under a shared name, key, and permissions, which makes scaling your codebase and collaborating with your team much simpler. On the Create Project page, begin with the project name. Pick something clear and recognizable, like the product name, client name, or team area. This is what people will see across your workspace, so aim for something consistent and easy to search. Next is the project key. Bitbucket usually suggests one for you, but you can edit it. Keep it short, readable, and unique, often 2 to 5 uppercase letters. This key appears in repository URLs and labels, so a concise, memorable code will save time later. Add a description to give context. A brief sentence or two about the project's purpose, scope, or main technologies helps teammates understand what belongs here and reduces confusion when your workspace grows. Now review privacy. Choose whether the project is private or public. Private keeps your code visible only to people with access, which is the most common choice for company work and internal tools. Public makes it visible to everyone. Pick what matches your needs, knowing you can always adjust settings later if your sharing requirements change. You can also add a project avatar. This is optional, but a distinctive icon or logo can make your project easier to spot at a glance, especially in a busy workspace. When everything looks right, click Create Project. Bitbucket will set it up and take you to the project overview page. From here, you can start adding repositories to the project. This is where you'll host your code for different services, apps, or components, keeping everything grouped under the same project umbrella for cleaner organization and simpler permissions management. That's it, you've successfully created a project in Bitbucket. Follow these steps each time you spin up a new initiative, and your workspace will stay structured and easy to navigate.